Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the new chapter 2, real numbers. In first exercise, we are going to see the topic is rational numbers. Definition for rational numbers. A rational number is a fraction indicating the quotient of two integers excluding a division by 0. Let's see exercise 2.1. First problem. Which arrow best shows the position of 11 by 3 on the number line? The number line they given. The arrow is A, B, C, D. You have to mark that position of 11 by 3. When you divide 11 by 3, you will get 3.666 etc. So where it places, you see that one, this is 3 to 4. When you see that C place, it is below 3.5. So 11 by 3 is 3.66. This is D position. You mark like this. In book itself, do this problem. Second question. Find any three natural numbers between minus 7 by 11 and 2 by 11. This type of problem we studied in last year 8th standard. See this question. The rational numbers they given is minus 7 by 11 and 2 by 11 they given. In between three rational numbers we should write. Here see that one denominator is same. So easily we can find. If denominator is not same means we should take LCM, then bring that denominator should be same. After that only we should find that three rational numbers. Here denominator is same. So directly we can find that between a rational number. Therefore, three rational numbers between minus 7 by 11 and 2 by 11 are in between. See that one minus 7 by 11, after we can write minus 6 by 11, comma. Next minus 5 by 11, comma. Minus 4 by 11, comma. Minus 3 by 11, minus 2 by 11. Like that we can put. Here they are asking only three rational number, no? So we can write up to this, up to minus 4 by 11. Third question, find any five rational numbers between, the first question is 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. When you see this question, the denominator is not same. For that we can use by formula method. First what we should do is, A is equal to, let A is equal to 1 by 4 you should write. Next B is equal to, choose the second number 1 by 5. Q1 means the first rational number is equal to, formula is 1 by 2 into A plus B. By using this method, last year you studied in 8th. Is equal to 1 by 2 into A value, here you substitute 1 by 4, plus B value, here you substitute 1 by 5. Then is equal to 1 by 2. Here we should take LCM. LCM means select the denominator. 4 into 5 is 20. Then denominator is 4. Now what number we can multiply with 4? You will get 20. That is 5. That 5 should be multiplied with numerator. Numerator already having 1. So 1 into 5 is 5. Plus likewise here denominator you see that one 5. What number we can multiply with 5? You will get 24. That number should be multiplied with numerator. 1 into 4. So here you write 4 is equal to 1 by 2. 5 plus 4 is 9 divided by 20. Then multiply this one. 1 into 9 is 9. 2 into 20 is 40. This is a first rational number. That one you can write. Q1 is equal to 9 by 40. Next you should find second rational number. Q2 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q1 is equal to 1 by 2 into A value is 1 by 4 plus Q1 value is, here if I know that number you should substitute 9 by 40 is equal to 1 by 2. Here you should take LCM for 4 and 40. LCM is 40. What number we can multiply with 4? You will get 40. That is 10. That 10 should be multiplied with numerator. So 1 into 10 is 10 plus, here already the denominator is 40. So no need to multiply. Directly you write that numerator, whatever the number present here. 9 and 10. Then is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 plus 9 is 19 by 40. Then multiply with 1 by 2. 1 into 19 is 19. 2 into 40 is 80. That is Q2. Next I am going to find that Q3, that is third rational number. Q3 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q2 is equal to 1 by 2 into A value is 1 by 4 plus Q2 value is 19 by 80 is equal to 1 by 2 into the same way take LCM for 4 and 80. LCM is 80. What number we can multiply with 4? You will get 80, that is 20. That 20 should be multiplied with the numerator number, that is 1 into 20, 20. Plus here already having the denominator is 80, no need to multiply. Whatever the number present in the numerator, that number should be right here. 19 is equal to 1 by 2 into 20 plus 19 is 39 divided by 80. Then you multiply 1 into 39 is 39 divided by 2 into 80 is 160. This is Q3, third rational number. Next you should find that fourth rational number. Q4 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q3 is equal to 1 by 2 into A value is 1 by 4 plus Q3 value is 39 by 160 is equal to 1 by 2 into, you take LCM for 4 and 160. LCM is 160. So multiply with 4. What number we will get here? 160. That is 40 plus here 39, because the denominator is already having 160 is equal to 1 by 2 into 40 plus 39 is 79 divided by 160. Then is equal to 1 into 79 is 79 divided by 2 into 160 is 320. This is Q4. Next you should find that a fifth rational number. Q5 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q4 is equal to 1 by 2 into A value is 1 by 4 plus Q4 value is 79 divided by 320 is equal to 1 by 2 into, take LCM for 4 and 320. LCM is 320. What number we can multiply with 4? You will get 320, that is 80. That number should be multiplied with numerator, that is 80 plus 79 is equal to 1 by 2 into, when you add 159 divided by 320 is equal to, multiply this one, 1 into 159 divided by 2 into 320 is 640. This is fifth rational number. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5 are, that answer you should write 9 by 40, 19 by 80, 39 by 160, 79 by 320, 159 divided by 640. Second question, 0.1 and 0.11. When you see this question, this is given as a decimal formation, so easily we can write this one. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers between 0.1 and 0.11 are, we can write like this: 0.101, 0.102, 0.103, 0.104 and 0.105. This is 5 rational numbers between 0.1 and 0.11. Third question, -1 and -2. Here I am using the formula. First one you should write A is equal to -1, B is equal to -2. Q1 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 into A value is -1 plus B value is -2 is equal to 1 by 2 into -1 plus into minus is -2 is equal to 1 by 2 into, both are minus now, so you can add -1 minus 2 is -3. Therefore, Q1 is equal to 1 by 2 into -3 is -3 by 2. Next, you should find that second rational number. Q2 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q1 is equal to 1 by 2 into A value is -1 and Q1 value is -3 by 2. That one you should substitute. Here formula plus now directly I am written, that is -3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into, take LCM here, it means it is -1 they given now, it means it is here 1, in the denominator it is 1 you are having. So LCM for 1 into 2 is 2. Therefore 1 by 2 into -2 -3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into, when you add you will get -5 by 2. Therefore Q2 is equal to, multiply this, you will get -5 by 4. Next, Q3 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q2 is equal to 1 by 2 into a value is minus 1 and q2 value is minus 5 by 4. Substitute here minus 5 by 4. Next step, here minus 1 can be written as this, means minus 1 by 1. For that you should take LCM. 1 and 4 is LCM is 4. Is equal to 1 by 2 into, already LCM 4, no? This is 4 I am written, then you multiply that one, minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2 into, when you add you will get minus 9 by 4. Therefore the third rational number is minus 9 by 8. 2 into 4 is 8. Q4 is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus Q3 is equal to 1 by 2 into a value is minus 1 and Q3 value is minus 9 by 8. Substitute here. Then is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 can be written as, it means like this, minus 1 by 1. For that you should take LCM 1 and 8. LCM is 8. Next, what number we can multiply with 1, you will get 8. That is 8. So that number should be multiplied with the numerator. Minus 1 into 8 is 8 minus, here already having 8 in the denominator. So no need to multiply. Directly you write that whatever the present in the numerator. Minus 9 is equal to 1 by 2 into, when you add you will get minus 17 by 8. Then you should multiply this one. 1 into minus 17 is minus 17. 2 into 8 is 16. This is Q4, that is fourth rational number. Next we should find that fifth rational number. Q5 is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus Q4 is equal to 1 by 2 into a value is minus 1 and Q4 value is minus 17 by 16. Here you should substitute here. Is equal to 1 by 2 into, here you should take LCM 1 and 16 is, LCM is 16. Then cross multiply, you will get minus 16 minus 17 is equal to 1 by 2 into, when you add you will get minus 33 by 16. Then you should multiply 1 into minus 33 is minus 33 divided by 2 into 16 is 32. This is fifth rational number. After that you should write, therefore the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and minus 2 are minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 4, minus 9 by 8, minus 17 by 16 and minus 33 by 32. By this 2.1 exercise is over. From next week you will have the midterm exam. August 4th, Wednesday is maths exam. So we will see the portion and pattern for maths. Portion is chapter 1, set language fully. That is only for midterm exam. So chapter 1 fully. Exercise 1.1 to 1.7. I'll teach exercise 1.1 to 1.6. 1.7 is an objective type question. So go through it. In that 1.7 only I ask the choose the correct answer. Pattern is Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. That is 6 question they will ask. 6 into 1 is 6. Roman letter 2, it is a 2-mark question. 7 2s are 14. 7 you should attend. 7 2s are 14. Roman letter 3, this is 5-mark question. You should write 6 question. So 6 into 5 is 30. Total marks is 50. Students, prepare well for your midterm exam. Thank you, students.